What's up guys? So I'm currently running a BootMod Stage 2 91 octane tune. I want to do 93 octane, but I don't really get good gas where I live, so I'm stuck with 91 octane. But according to the BootMod website, I am making 393 horsepower and 402 torque. I also have the AWE touring exhaust, and on the AWE website it says that it adds 15 horsepower and 32 foot-pounds of torque. I don't know how much I believe that. The car didn't really feel any faster when I got it installed. It wasn't tuned back then. Maybe now that it's tuned it makes some kind of a difference. I don't know, but I'd like to say that I have 400 horsepower instead of 393 just because it sounds better. Okay, so that's a little bit of stage 2 driving. If you're on stage 1 right now and you're not sure if you should buy the downpipe and upgrade to stage 2, I'd say it's definitely worth it. Jump in power is really nice. But now that I am stage 2, where do I go from here? So a lot of people from here will do a custom tune, do some kind of ethanol blend, or they'll go big turbo. But honestly, I'm fine with the stage 2 power levels for now. I don't want to put too much more money into the car, but if I do anything, I think right now I would focus on like suspension and handling stuff. So maybe get some sway bars, M3 control arms, coilovers, something like that. And then after I did that, if I decided I wanted more power, then maybe I would go with the custom tune. But anyway, thank you for watching. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that. I got a lot more car videos coming.